Hello dear fans. What are synthetic polymers? Synthetic polymers are an artificially obtained material by the synthesis of simple low molecular weight substances. Polymers are widely used in light, heavy and food industries, construction, etc. Instructions. Step 1. The polymer is represented by a macromolecular substance consisting of periodically repeating chain structures, monomers. A wide variety of synthetic polymer materials are used in the printing industry, heavy industry, light and food industries. We are talking about elastomers, synthetic rubber and rubber, plastomers, synthetic resins and plastics, paints, adhesives, synthetic fibers and fabrics, photopolymers, free films, etc. Step 2. Synthetic polymers are the result of polymerization, copolymerization and polycondensation. The properties of polymers are determined by their molecular weight. Materials with a higher molecular weight show higher mechanical strength in bending, tearing, twisting, but poorer solubility. All synthetic polymers have one characteristic feature, which is polydispersity. That is, the molecules of the same polymer can be of different sizes and with different numbers of structural units. Therefore, speaking about the molecular weight of a polymer, it is not the true value of the mass of each molecule that is meant, but only its average value. Step 3. At high temperatures, synthetic polymers melt, and at low temperatures they acquire an amorphous structure. Some materials can also acquire crystalline structure. Moreover, they have a higher melting point and greater strength. Synthetic polymers can be thermoplastic and thermosetting. The former are capable of being remelted many times without much loss of their original properties, while the latter irreversibly solidify upon prolonged heating due to the occurrence of thermochemical reactions. Step 4. Synthetic polymer materials are significantly superior in many parameters to non-ferrous and ferrous metals, glass, wood, etc. This is achieved due to lower costs for production, installation, and further operation. For example, in the light industry, fabrics and knitwear are created from laughson, nylon, nitron, polypropylene, etc. They are distinguished by increased strength, lightness, elasticity, low thermal conductivity, and resistance to chemical, physical, and atmospheric influences. Step 5. In construction, carbamide and phenolformaldehyde resins have found the greatest use. They are used to produce pipes, films, tiles, thermal insulation materials, paper plastics, varnishes, adhesives, waterproofing compounds, etc. The printing house uses polystyrene for casting blank material and typographic fonts. Polyvinyl chloride is indispensable in the manufacture of flat and rotary stereotypes, book bindings, duplicate clichés, etc. Thanks for watching.